Affiliate marketing can be an exciting journey, and here are 5 tips to elevate your game. First, launch with existing content. Build a solid portfolio of articles or videos in your niche before introducing affiliate links. This gives your audience something valuable to engage with right away. Next, diversify your affiliate partners. Relying on just one program can be risky. If they change their commission rates or shut down, your income could take a hit. Explore different networks to spread your risk. Third, know your products inside out. When you understand what you're promoting, you can create authentic content that resonates with your audience, leading to better conversions. Fourth, leverage comparative formats. Create reviews or versus articles to help your audience make informed decisions. This not only adds value but also increases the chances of clicks on your affiliate links. Finally, run ads during peak shopping times. Timing is crucial. Capitalize on high-traffic seasons like Black Friday to maximize your reach. Keep these strategies in mind, and you'll be well on your way to affiliate marketing success.